How to contact Postmark support. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can contact Postmark support. Well, while you might find it quite a bit tricky, actually it's quite simple and easy. On your browser, what you want to do is you want to search in for Postmark support, as I've done on the screen, as you can see here. And once I tapped in Postmark support here, it says Postmark, and under it you can see contact. This is the official contact page of Postmark. You want to simply tap on it. Now here you want to follow these steps. What you want to do is you can see at the questions and you can see visit support center option. Simply tap on visit support center option and this should take you to another page. Now here you can see have a question. You can either help with your answers if you find your questions here, or you can simply tap on contact support, and if you are keen on contacting the support directly, simply tap on contact support here and it will take you to the contact support option here page. Here you want to type in your name, your email address, your category of your issue that you are having, and then you want to simply type in your subject and message. If you want, you can choose your file attachment as well and simply select this I'm not a robot option here, and then simply tap on submit and you'll be able to just contact the Postmark support. So this way you can contact Postmark support. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.